Hey everyone, welcome to another Figma tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make this COVID-19 app design on Figma. Here you can see the final output. If I go to here you can see the main screen looks something like this, and the second screen is something like this, and the third screen is this. And I will be designing all these three skins from scratch so that you can follow with me. And basically, if you follow my work, you can just recreate this app in your device as well. So let's get started. So if I go to Dribble and let's type COVID, because I want to design something related to COVID-19. Let's search for that term. And here you can see this is showing me all sort of results like COVID. So if I click on this, this is by Mahdiye Khalili. So this is a pretty basic, good looking design. Uh, at the front we have this COVID uh, scene. Then we have this second page, then something like this, then we have this third page. So I don't know whether I'll be able to pull off this entire portfolio, so I think I will work with this one. And let's go create our first create our project. So basically what you need to do, you need to click on this plus icon, and that will lead you to this untitled. So let's just rename this one. So the name will be COVID-19 app. So basically we are good to go, and you need to click on this frame, and from the frame you have to select one. So for the moment I'm going to select iPhone 11 Pro / X. So this is our frame right now. So here you can see we have the time over here, then we have this network bar, Wi-Fi icon, and battery logo. So we have three things over here. So these I think I can find on Font Awesome. So let's go search for Font Awesome. Search these icons in Font Awesome. So if I go to Font Awesome and start for free, let's search. So the first one is battery. So let's search for battery, and I actually could have searched for mobile battery. So this is something that I can use. So let's search another thing, that is network or Wi-Fi. Basically these are the same, Wi-Fi, and the third one is network. So let's so this is something we can use, and the third one is network. So in the network tab, we don't have any network like the one we want to use. So I will just stick to Wi-Fi and battery. So yeah. So if I click on this icon, so this is basically an extension that you can get from Google Chrome extension. Just search color picker or color by Fardos. Uh, and if I click on this eyedropper, basically what I will be having is this. So basically this is white all along. So I can just use this one, and this is basically pretty much white already, so I don't need to use this one. So if I go to our Font Awesome, and here if I click on this, and let's go and click on our Wi-Fi icon. So this is the icon that I want to work with. So I need to download the SVG, and it is downloaded, and I need to download the Wi-Fi as well. So let's download both. So we have both our icon over here. So this is the Wi-Fi and this is the battery. So I'm gonna copy both of them. Let's select this page first, and let's copy both of them. So we have our icon down here, but we need to make it small so that we can fit in here, and we need to make it small as well. Okay, so let's select this one, and this is the main screen. So I'm gonna rename this into main screen, and if I click on main screen, so here I can just have the column like this. So I want to work with maybe 10 column, and if I look at the design, here you can see basically this is pretty small over here, so I can just work with this one. So I want to make this small, just as small, so that it can fit in here, and let's make this small as well. So we have both our icon. Let's have some space over here. Okay, so we have our icon already. Then the next thing that we need to do, we need to have this sort of animation, but we don't have this image. So what we can do, we can go to undraw, and if I go to undraw, it will give me tons of suggestion that we can use. So if I click on browse now, and let's search for something. So basically this is something that is related to healthcare. So let's type health, and let's see what kind of images they provide us. So let's try something else like medical. So in the medical we have this, so I can just use this one. I think this looks good. But before using this one, I need to use the color as well. So here you can see we have this bluish color that is used all throughout this design. So I'm gonna pick this color. So let's get that eyedropper, and let's get this bluish color, and here I can just click and copy this color. And if I go to Figma, not Figma, if I go to this search undraw, and here I can select this color as well, so that it gives me that specific color. Did I copy the color? Let's do this again. So this is the color FF5, and here I want to paste FF5. So yeah, this is the color, and let's grab this SVG, and let's grab this and paste it over here, but we need to make it small. So let's resize this one and make it small. So far it looks good. Let's remove the columns so that I can see more clearly. And yeah, and I need to change some of the things over here. So let's go and see our design. Let's look for something like germ. I don't know whether they have any pick for germ, so they don't have any. So yeah, this looks good, and I can work with this one as well. So I need to change the color of this shirt. I'm not liking this color. So let's copy that previous color that we had, and so that it blends well. And this one, and this ribbon as well. So we have this fine contrast of this bluish color. What will happen if I change this t-shirt into blue as well? No, it doesn't look good. So the doctor should be wearing a white gown. And yeah, so the next thing is we have to insert some text. Am I infected with the coronavirus? I don't know. So let's grab the text icon and pull it over here. And let's just say, am I infected with, am I infected with the coronavirus? And the size should be bigger. So let's make it 50. 50 is way bigger. Let's make it 40, 30, 20, 15. Okay. And it should be bold. And let's wrap this up. And it can be as little as high as 18 or 19. Okay. So 19 looks good. Now this is in the middle, and then we have to use this lorem. Let's grab some lorem ipsum text. If I go here, I can just grab some lorem ipsum text from here. Let's copy this dummy text and paste it over here. Copy and paste, and the size should be 14, and I need to use a different color over here. Let's grab the color as well. So let's get that eyedropper. Let's get that eyedropper, and from here I can just grab this color. Let's copy the color and paste it over here. So yeah, it looks good, but it should be in the middle. Some dummy text. Okay. Then the last thing that we need to do, we need to install two different key holder. So for the first one is to have a phone number, and the second one is to verify the phone number, verify the code that I will receive through that phone number. So let's go and use this one. So here I will just put a rectangle. So a simple rectangle like this will do. And what I can do, I can just give it some sort of age so that it looks nice. 5 should be 7. Let's go with 7. So 7 looks good. And here I need to use a different color. So let's copy this color, F2, F2, FA, and here I will just paste this color. So this color looks better than the previous one, and here I need to use this text as well. So let's grab this color, and this is the same color, I guess. So let's copy this color and phone number. Let's have this text in the middle, and the color should be this. Oh no, the color is gone. So I'm gonna take the color again. So let's get that eyedropper. Okay, I hope this time it works. I'm not seeing the color at all. So yeah, now it looks good. And I need to get that phone icon. So let's go to Font Awesome. And let's search for a phone icon. Let's search for a phone basically. And let's see what they provide. So these are the things that they are providing. So right now, this is the one that I should use, I guess. So let's get this one, download the SVG. Okay, and let's grab this icon. from here to here. So we have our icon, but we have to make it small. We have to make it small enough so that it fits, over here. Is the size okay? So I need to make it smaller maybe. Let's zoom it a bit and make it smaller, and let's keep this in the middle. So okay, so this is in the middle, and we have to get this color as well. So let's copy this. Let's get the eyedropper and let's copy this color, which is 88888B, and instead of 00, I'm gonna paste this color, and this looks much better. And I'm going to copy this one and paste it again so that I can use something else. And I'm going to copy this line of code as well, copy this text as well. So instead of phone number, now I have to write verification code. So let's write verification code, and I need to change the color as well. So for the color, for the box color, I'm going to use this color, and let's go and use this color. And for this text, I'm going to use, is it whole white? It may be whole white. It did not get the color. So I'm gonna do it again. No, that's not the color, that's the blue portion of it. You know what, I'm gonna go with FFF. I think this looks good. So this is basically our first screen. So far this looks pretty. I can increase the size of this text, right? So let's make this 16, and let's make this 20. Actually, does 20 fit? Yeah, it fits, but I need to keep this in the center, and let's make this 18. Say what? It became a little 17. 17 looks good. Okay, so this is basically the first part of this mobile app. So we have our main screen ready. So let's go and look how it looks. Let's play and see whether it looks okay or not. So we have our Wi-Fi and battery over here. Then we have this simple doctor suggesting his patient, and here it's saying, am I infected with the coronavirus? Then some lorem ipsum text. Then there's a place to provide the phone number. Then we have this verification code. So far so good. So let's close this one. And one thing I need to do, I need to grab both of these and make it a little, and move this little bit to the left, and let's go see it again. So yeah, now it looks better, because previously it was really at the corner and it was not looking nice. So the next thing that I need to do is design this. Let's reset this one so that I can see the whole portion of it. So the next thing is, we have this image, then we have this, what can I say over here, we have this circle portion, another circle portion, then an image over here, then we have this some sort of card, then three rectangle portion, then we have a portion where I can just show training videos. So let's keep this in two parts. So the first part is the top part, where we will be dealing with an image, and the second part where we will have these 3 items. So let's go and copy the entire screen. Let's copy the entire screen and paste it again, and the name of this screen will be test screen, maybe, because here we will defeat coronavirus, and this is actually showing all sort of things, so I don't really know what to do with this one. So what I can do, I can just name this test screen for no good reason. Test screen. So this is text screen, and I don't really need any of this. Do I? No, I don't really need any of this. So I will just start from scratch again. So let's just go, and from here I will just draw a line. So here at the top portion we will have the image and all. Then let's grab another line. This portion will be for this. Then we will have 3 rectangle. Yeah, we will have 3 rectangle. And lastly we will have these training videos and all. Okay, so this looks good. Let's work with this portion. So let's go to undraw, and let's grab another image from here. Let's type scientist, and let's see what they bring us. So basically I can use any of this, so let's use this one. And here it has a more it has this yellowish color more, so I think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use, let's have this yellowish color. Let's select this one, then the eyedropper, and let's grab this color, and let's change this into this. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this one, and let's download this SVG, and let's bring that over here, and let's make this small. So here you can see we in the portion we only have the image of a person, so I'm just gonna go with that. So instead I'm gonna be deleting everything that is over here. It may take some time actually. Let's zoom it a bit so that I can see properly. So there are a bunch of stuff that needs to be deleted because I only need the person. I don't need these dots. Is there a better way to delete this stuff? I don't know. So the last one is this line, which let's delete this one as well. So there we have this picture of a woman who looks like a doctor. And yeah, let's go to our design, and here there is some text. So let's have this background as well. So let's have a rectangle over here. So we have this rectangle, but this rectangle needs to be here so that I can work with this. Okay, right now the color of this rectangle should be this one. So let's copy this one. Is it copied? Let's choose this again, eyedropper rectangle, this one. Okay, and let's go over here. Instead of this color, I need this color. So okay, now I need to have this sort of background as well, so let's have that. So let's go to pen tool, and okay, so this looks good, and I need to fill this with the color, which is this one. So let's go and grab this color. Yeah, color got. So here, but I need to send it back, so it will be over here, I guess. So yeah, and the stroke should be the same as well. Here you can see the stroke is black, but I want the stroke to be this color. So let's copy this one and paste it over here. So we have the same stroke, and let's have another ellipse, and the color of this ellipse will be this as well. So at this moment we are looking at a decent test screen. So let's grab the text. We will defeat coronavirus. Yeah, we will. So let's have this text. We will defeat coronavirus. So let's make this a little bit bigger, let's say 20, and let's have a different font. This is way too different. So let's have, no, it doesn't look nice. Let's look for something different. So for the moment, let's just stick with this one, and let's make it 30. 30 is too much. 22. So 22 looks good, I guess. So the top portion is done, and I can just delete this line because I no longer need this line. And now what I will have I can have this a little bit edge over here. So here you can see I got 30 edge. So instead of this one, I'm gonna use this one because I want this to notice properly. So the next thing is I need to have a rectangle shape over here. So let's go and grab a rectangle, which is something like this, and this is in the middle right now, and let's have some 15 looks nice, and the color should be this one. So let's go grab this color. So this is the color, and okay, now we have to use these two text, coronavirus test and So what I can do, I can just copy it from here. Coronavirus test. So far so good. Let's keep it over here. And some lorem ipsum text as well. And the size should be small. Suppose 10. Yeah, 10 looks good. This should be left aligned. Okay. This is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna make it 18. And this can be 12, I guess. No, 10 is good. So 10 and 18. The next thing that I need to use is this logo. So let's go and from Font Awesome. Where is Font Awesome? Let's look for a logo, for a gear logo. And the gear logo can be this white portion, and I can have a bluish background over here. So let's go and search for an ellipse, and let's have an ellipse over here. So this is the ellipse, and okay, I need to change the color of this one. So let's get that eyedropper. Let's get this color. So from here I can just use this color, and the gear icon that I wanted to use, let's use this gear. I can use 3 gear as well if I want. Here I have 3 gears, and here I have 1 gear, so let's use this one. So here I can just click on download SVG, which will be downloaded in my PC, and I can just copy this one and paste it over here and shrink this a little bit so that it fits into this, inside this circle. Let's zoom it a bit and let's have it over here. And the color of this, I want this color to be white. Okay, so right now it looks good, and I don't need this line anymore, so I'm gonna delete this line. And let's go and see our design. So we have 3 rectangle over here, and what I will do right now, I will include 3 of these. Here you can see I can only see 2 of this and half of the third one, so I'm not gonna do this over here. I'm gonna include 3 of the rectangle. So let's grab one rectangle, copy, second rectangle, copy, third rectangle. So we have 3 rectangle, and let's keep this in the center, and let's have how does the side looks. So let's have more than 5, suppose 10, 10, 10. So we have 3 rectangles, and I need to use the color. So the first color is this one. The second color is this yellowish color, not yellowish, reddish color. So this one. And the third one is this. So let's go and click that eyedropper, select this one and paste it over here. So we have all our 3 color. And I can use a little No, not really. Let's keep it this way, and I need to have three icon over here. So the first one is, this is network, I guess. So let's go and grab some icons from Font Awesome. So the first one is network. I don't think there is any network icon, because previously I have searched for it and I did not get any. So I don't want to use any of these actually. The second one is stethoscope. So let's search for so yeah, this one. I'm gonna use this one. And the third one is education. So let's search for education, or maybe reading a book. Yeah, this one looks good. So let's download this one, and let's download this one, and let's go grab both of them. So this is the book reader and the stethoscope. Let's copy both of them and paste it over here, and let's change the shape of it. And the color of this will be white, and this will be white as well, if I'm not wrong. Let's go see our design. So yeah, white. And the third icon I'm not able to find, so I'm just gonna use what can I use actually? I'm gonna use a random icon. Let's go to Font Awesome and search for a random icon, maybe an alien, maybe, I don't know. Let's give it an alien icon. I've always wanted to give an alien icon in one of my projects, so these all are pros. So we only have the Reddit icon actually. We don't have any alien icon, so we can use the fire alternate alt. This looks good as well. So let's download this, and here is the fire icon, which we need to resize. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So yeah, so the color of this icon will be white as well. So let's change this into FFF. So yeah, we have our three icon. Now we have to put some text like news, hospitals, education. So let's grab this. So the text will be very small, so I'm just gonna grab this over here and write news, and let's have it over here. Let's have it over here. Let's have it over here. So we have our three text. Right now we need to modify it. So the second one is hospitals, and third one is education. Hospital, and the third one is education. So we have all our three text, so I need to keep them in the center. Okay, and the color should be white as well. So white, white, white. So we are done with this portion as well. So let's delete this line because I will be doing this portion where it says training videos, then more, then we have this portion. So this looks simple as well. So first we have the training video. Let's copy this line and paste it over here. Training videos. More. So here, let me just turn on the column layout so that I can keep everything like the way it should be. I have to add an arrow icon over here. So let's go here and search for something called right arrow. So if I search for right arrow, Font Awesome will give me these results and I can just work with this one. So let's grab this icon and download this SVG and let's copy and paste it over here. Shrink this one. Okay. So this looks good, but we need to change the color of this as well. So for the first text, the color will be most probably all black if I'm not wrong. So the color is 131313. So let's go and give that color 131313. And the color of this will be slightly not so bright. What have I done? So here is the eyedropper and I need to get this color. Choosing color can be difficult at times. Okay, so this color, where's the color? I hate it when I have a color and my extension is not working with me. Okay, so I have copied the color and let's paste it over here. This is the color and this is the color as well. So right now I need to add another triangle over here and here I will have an image and some text. So let's go and have another rectangle from here to here and let's copy this again. And here it says coronavirus map, but I think I will not include it over here, so I'm just gonna delete this one. And here I will have an image. Let's go to undraw and let's have this image. But in the here, let's have this image in this color. So let's go to our extension and get the eyedropper and get this color, and let's go to undraw and let's have this color pasted here so that it gets the same vibe. So I'm gonna download the SVG and here let's grab it and paste it over here. This is big, I'm gonna make this small, no worry. I'm gonna make it just small so that it fits in this rectangle. So yeah, it looks good right now. And the next thing that I will do, I will grab this background color with the eyedropper. So let's go and get the eyedropper. Let's get this background color. Okay, so here I'm gonna paste the background color. Okay, so I need to close the column so that I can see it properly. Let's close the column. So right now we have something like this, and I'm gonna copy this one and copy and paste it over here, because I don't want to redo the task. So let's keep it over here and let's see what this says. So safety and healthy safety and health tips, safety and health tips, but the size should be smaller, so let's make this 14 and some lorem ipsum text. This looks good. So let's go and see our tools. One, we are dealing with a problem right here, so this should be over here. So yeah, right now this looks good, and let's play this one. So we have the first main screen, then we have the second screen. So far so good. We need to create the third screen as well. So I'm gonna copy the text screen and let's rename this something else. So this screen is basically the coronavirus map and some statistics. Let's go and see whether we have anything as map. If I have anything, I will use that. So we have a map actually, so I'm gonna use this screen as well. So what I can do, I can use this portion and this portion, and then I can use the map and some statistics. So first I have to copy this. We already have these two portion over here, so let's delete this stuff. So I don't need these, and I don't need this one, but I do need this one. So let's copy this one. Okay, so we have things over here. So right now, one thing I forgot to do, the size should be smaller. Okay, and the size should be smaller here as well. Both will be 14. Okay, so far so good. Right now we have to provide a map over here, so let's go see. You can see here the color of the map looks kind of reddish, so I'm going to use this color, and I will use the extension, the eyedropper. Let's grab this color. So, and here in the undraw, I'm going to paste the color. So let's see what map we like the most. So far we don't have a lot of choices, so I'm going to use with the basic one. I can use this one as well, so let's go, and yeah, I can use this one. I can use this one, and I can where did it go? I can use this one, and I can just change some of it. So let's go and copy and paste it over here. So let's shrink this boy, and where's the map? Okay, so here we have the map. I can change the color from here to this whitish color as well, but I'm liking this one better because this has a more whole world flavor. So I'm gonna keep it this way, and here I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here, and here it should say coronavirus map. Okay, so this looks good. And one last thing that we need to do, we need to do this 2 days statistics, where we can show the active, recovered, and death. So let's do that as well. This is the final task. Let's copy paste it here. So here I can just write 2 days statistics. Okay, and here I can just use 3 bars over here, and below that I can just use some text. So let's go to Corona update, and let's actually take the update of how many active cases we have. So currently we have 1.2 million death, 35 million recovered. So here in the design, active, recovered, death. So I need to get the active cases. So we have 13 million active cases, recovered this amount. Okay, so first let's have the bar open again. So where's the bar? One thing I forgot to do, so this is the final screen, so I'm gonna rename this as the final screen. And here in the final screen, I'm gonna open the layout, and let's grab the rectangle. So this will be the biggest rectangle. Then I will have another rectangle which will be slightly smaller than the first one. Then I will have a third rectangle which will be the smallest, I guess. Okay, so the first rectangle will be known as active. So the active is, we have 13 million cases. So we have 13 million active cases, and we have active, recovered, and death. So we actually have more recovered cases than active cases. And death we have only, so yeah. So this will be like this, and this will be like this. So this will represent 35 million, this will represent the active, and this will represent the death. Okay, so I can just make this a bit smaller. Okay, so far so good. And let's have all of them and place them center. Okay, I wanted to start here and end here actually. So I need to make this one small. Okay, so far so good. So let's go and grab the color of it here from the eyedropper. The first one is this one, and let's paste the color. The second one is this one. Let's go and paste the color as well. And the third color is this one. So I hate it when the extension goes away. So this is the color, third color, and let's paste it over here. So yeah, we have all three colors. Now we need to add some text as well. So for the text, I can just copy some of the text that I have previously used and use it here. Let's copy and paste it and have it over here. So the first one, let's say the first one, active. The second one will be recovered. And the third one is death. So we have all three text. Now all I can do, I can just use small rectangle to show what text represents which bar actually. So yeah, this should do it. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the first one is active, which is this one, and we have already recorded 57 minutes. So let's go, and this is the active one. And I need to specify the number as well. So let's go to corner update, and active cases are 13,195,677. Let's paste it over here. Okay. The recovered, we have the most recovered, 35 million, and death is almost 1.2 million. Rest in peace. So we are basically done, and here I can just close the column so that I can see the final screen. So this is basically it. We have the main screen, then we have the test screen, and we have the final screen over here. And if I go and hit play, here you can see all three screens. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So I can use some gap actually over here so that it looks nice. Okay, so far it looks good. It doesn't look bad. So here you can see our final product, which is this. This is the main screen and this is the test screen. This is the final screen. If I play this, you can see something like this. First screen, second screen, third screen. So let me know how it feels to make something like this in Figma. This is basically my first COVID-19 app that I designed in Figma with the help of uh, Mahdieh Khalili. So if you have an account on Dribble, just go and appreciate her project and hit like on all of them, because this was really great to work with. And so yeah, so basically I make this kind of video every single day. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and make sure that you are connected with this channel so that you never miss an update that I provide in this channel. So I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, everyone, take care.